Hello, good day friends. In today's video, we are going to see how you can hide your apps in Samsung Galaxy A17. So let's start. Let's say I want to hide the Spotify app. So I need to have a long press on home screen and this menu will appear. Now go to settings and scroll down. And here you will see hide apps on home and apps screen option. Tap on it and select the app. I want to hide Spotify. I've selected it and press on done. Now as you can see, the Spotify is no longer here. So let's say I go to search and search for Spotify. As you can see, no app is appearing. But let's say I want to unhide now. To do that, simply repeat. Go to settings, then scroll down, then click on this minus icon. Then click on done, and as you can see, Spotify is back. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit a like and do consider us subscribing, and I will see you in next video.